What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to build backlinks for Amazon affiliate sites. So if you want to get more links to your site, if you want to grow your website's traffic with SEO, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'll teach you exactly how to get more backlinks to your website and drive more traffic to your review pages to get more Amazon commission. Now this is the exact same blueprint that I used to grow this Amazon site from 0 to 100,000. So if you want to follow the exact steps that I use, then make sure you keep watching. Now the first thing I'd say is that when it comes to link building, you're going to be doing a lot of outreach, okay? So when other websites are looking for your content, if you just have loads of review articles promoting Amazon products, then chances are it looks like you've only built a website to make money, not to actually provide value to the end user. And if that's the case, then most websites are going to say no. So how do you get around this when you're running an Amazon site? Well, what I would recommend is for the first 3 to 6 months, not monetizing your content at all. And what that means is no affiliate links, no Amazon products, and basically demonetizing your whole website for the first 3 to 6 months. Because when you do that, other people are going to look around your site and they'll be more likely to add a link to you if they see that your content is providing information rather than just review pages and links to Amazon products. Now this makes a lot of sense because for the first 3 to 6 months on your website, you're going to be in the sandbox period anyway. You won't be getting any traffic from Google because if you have a brand new domain, you're just starting to put content on there, Google doesn't trust your site and therefore you're not going to rank anyway. And if you don't rank, you won't make money, which means that there's no point in monetizing your site anyway. And that's why demonetizing your website for the first 3 to 6 months isn't really a problem. It's only going to land you more backlinks and it's not going to cost you any commission because chances are you won't rank on Google in that period anyway. Now, you've demonetized your content, there's no affiliate links on your website. What are the best ways to start getting backlinks to your site? The first thing I'd recommend is using link building outreach, okay? Because when you start reaching out to websites and you start asking them for backlinks and promoting your content, it's just a matter of time and a matter of volume before you start getting backlinks to your site. Because the formula when it comes to link building outreach is if you contact enough people promoting your content with the right message, then you will start getting backlinks to your site. And the best way to start finding prospects to reach out to is to check your competitor's backlink profile. And when you do that, you're going to see all the people who have linked to your competitors, and then you can easily approach them asking for a backlink. You might want to approach them over email, over social media, through their contact us form on the website. However you want to do it, you can easily find a big list of prospects to reach out to. And if you want to scrape your competitor's backlink profile, then you can easily do this for free via Ahrefs or via neilpatel.com's website. And these are both free tools. I actually reviewed them recently in a video of mine where you can scrape your competitor's backlink profile, create a list of websites that you can reach out to, and then it's just a case of emailing them or using social media to get that backlink. Now, if you want some tips on exactly how to do that, check out my link building outreach playlist on youtube.com. But here's an example template that I send to reach out to webmasters and start driving those backlinks to my Amazon affiliate site. Now, the other link building strategy that I like to use for Amazon affiliate sites is to sign up to HARO. So this is helperreporter.com, and this is basically a website where you get a huge list of PR opportunities for your brand. So, you sign up on HARO, you get an email breakdown of 50 to 100 PR opportunities every single day, and then all you need to do is reply to one of those opportunities, answering the reporter's question, and once you do that, the links will start coming in. Now this is so easy, it takes about 2 minutes to do. I actually created a few videos on how to use HARO, so check out my HARO playlist on YouTube for link building. But basically, when you're applying to HARO responses, you just need to create a short, concise, actionable, and unique response to every single HARO query that you find relevant. And when you do this, the links are going to start flying in. Now, if you want to generate links consistently with HARO, I recommend sending 5 to 10 different responses every single day. Because when you do that, you're going to get at least 2 to 3 backlinks every single week from HARO, which is awesome for your site. And the thing I love about HARO versus link building outreach is that you get some very exclusive link building opportunities. Because big media companies are on HARO, but they're not necessarily going to respond to your link building outreach email. So it's much better to use HARO sometimes than it is to use link building outreach when it comes to finding exclusive links for your site. The only disadvantage is that if you're in a small niche, there's probably not going to be that many HARO responses that you can reply to every single week. So you just have to pick and choose and cherry pick the ones that are relevant to you. Also, a big link building tip when it comes to building links to Amazon niche sites is to make sure that you provide a lot of social proof on your website. And you basically have to tell a story here, okay? You can't just look like you've created an Amazon niche website to start making money if you really want to attract links to your site, because you kind of have to show your brand, your personality, and make sure people trust you before they start building links to you. So how can you do this? Well, number one is to optimize your About Us page. So, show your face, show that you're not just using stock images, tell a bit of information about you and why you're passionate about the topic that you're writing about. And when you do that, you're going to stand out from most other websites. But also try and build up a social media presence. So create a Twitter profile or an Instagram page or a Facebook page, and make sure that you're publishing on there regularly, because when you do that as well, you're building an audience on social media, but you're also showing that you're active on other channels and that you've not just got this Amazon niche site to drive money to your site. You're actually passionate about it. And also, if you can, try and include some vlogs or some videos on your website and some pictures of you that aren't just stock images, so that you look like a real person and that you have a personality, because then when you do this, you stand out from all the other Amazon niche sites that don't show any faces or don't show any brands and are just using stock images and kind of look very generic. So if you want to stand out and you want to look unique, then that's going to help you and go a long way when it comes to link building. Now, my final tip is to make sure that you're writing about topics that will attract backlinks, okay? Because your SEO content is very different from your link building outreach content. And when it comes to link building outreach and promoting your site, you really want to find topics that actually attract links already. So how can you do this? Well, again, you should scrape your competitors, look at their backlink profile and see which pages are attracting the most links. Because when you do that, you reverse engineering what already works for your competitors, and then you can discover valuable link building opportunities and topics that you can write about for your site. So this is a very powerful way of finding link building outreach topics of content that you can promote on your site, and therefore you already know what's attracting links for your competitors, so you can reverse engineer the process and start doing that for your own site too. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on the best ways to build links to your Amazon affiliate site. If you want more help or advice or support on getting backlinks to your site, I actually run a link building agency. You can find that at juliangoldie.com. I'll leave the link in the description below as well. And basically, I can help you grow your site with white hat backlinks. I already work with a lot of Amazon affiliate sites, and I know exactly how to build backlinks to your site. So if you're ready to go ahead with that, please feel free to get in touch via my website.